What's the meaning of anapaestic? Anapaestic. 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 Anapaestic.
Anapaestic is an adjective used to describe a particular type of poetic meter. It refers to a metrical foot consisting of two short or unstressed syllables followed by one long or stressed syllable. This creates a bouncy and upbeat rhythm in poetry, often used to convey a sense of excitement or joy. The word anapaestic comes from the Greek word anapaistos, meaning struck back. In poetry, this type of meter is often used in limericks, as well as in longer works such as epic poetry.